In the digital era, a clean, professional computer interface is not just a luxury, but a necessity. It's the first thing that greets you when you boot up your system, the canvas on which all your tasks unfold. A watermark, while small, can be a constant source of distraction, marring the smooth, sleek look of your workspace. Today, we're delving into the world of Windows 10, guiding you on how to remove that pesky watermark and reclaim your pristine digital landscape. Step 1. Open Command Prompt. To do this, you simply need to type CMD into your search bar, located at the bottom left of your screen. Upon seeing the Command Prompt app, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Step 2. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type in slmgr/rearm and hit Enter. Wait for a few moments for the command to run its course. A dialog box will pop up, confirming that the command has been successfully executed. Click OK to close the dialog box. Step 3. Restart your computer. This is an essential step. The changes will only take effect after a complete system reboot. Voila! Post-reboot, your watermark should be gone, leaving you with a clean, distraction-free interface.